So to update your Sony Smart TV running Google TV, make sure your TV is connected to the internet, and then you want to go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to System, select that, and then go to About, and then you should see System Update. So you can click on that, and then it's going to check for available updates. You can see currently mine has already downloaded and verified. So all you have to do is click on Restart Now for those updates to get installed. Once it's done, the TV will restart. And install the updates. So just be patient. And now the TV restarts, Google TV. And that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.